Hello and welcome. My name is Jakub and I'm application engineer at Sinterit. Today I would like to show you how you can easily and quickly switch between materials on your Lisa X printer. This guide also applies to Sinterit SUSI, but keep in mind that there will be some minor differences in the recoater area.
Start by selecting Remove Material from the Maintenance menu. The device will guide you step by step and the entire process takes less than half an hour. You can also find detailed instructions in the printer's full user manual. Let's begin with the recoater. We need to make sure there is no residual powder left in its mechanism. Use a soft bristle brush to clean off any remaining material, and don't forget to clean the recoater cover as well. Once done, reinstall the cover and secure it with screws. Next, we'll vacuum the remaining powder. Use the appropriate nozzle to reach the tight areas. Then, vacuum the space beneath both beds, making sure everything is clean. After that, remove and clean the overflow bin. If there is still powder left inside, simply empty it into the multi-PHS. Depending on the materials from and to which you are switching, replacing the bed seals might be necessary. Materials are divided into three groups: high, medium and low temperature. When switching within the same group or moving from a higher group to a lower one, you don't need to change the sealing. However, when switching from a lower group to a higher one, a seal change is necessary to maintain proper thermal conditions. Keep in mind that for PBT Optimal and polypropylene, changing the seal is always required, no matter which powder you are switching from or to. Now, let's move to replacing the bed seals. Start by removing the 4 outer screws and lifting the print bed cover. Take out the old sealing ropes and vacuum away any residual powder. Insert the new sealing rope. Note that its color might differ from the previous one, and cut off an excess length. Reinstall the print bed cover and secure it with screws. Repeat the same procedure for the feed bed. Once that's done, your printer is ready to use with a different powder.